How to fix Ethernet connection problem in your PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's quick video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your Ethernet connection problem in your PC. So before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open up your device manager. You can simply search for it and open it up. After you're on your device manager, you should see different options here. So you can just go through each one, just look at each one, and after some time you'll find network adapters. Just expand that and you will see your adapters for your connections. Now from here you can reset everyone. That is, just select one, go to driver, you will see the update driver option. Tap on update driver and then update it. Now you can browse through your own computer to update your device driver, or you can simply search automatically from your drivers from your device. So you can choose either one. I'll just do browse, and yeah, let me pick from available drivers and just select a driver. After you select a driver, you should be good to go. It will just change your drivers and then your network should be working just fine. Now it's written here wireless LAN card, so don't do this one. Just go to the Ethernet adapter, or you can go to your Wi-Fi direct virtual adapter too, and you can reset any one of your adapters, I mean drivers, and then your problem should get fixed. And yeah, that is basically all for the video guys. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.